Right, today I'm going to show you my little USB tech pouch that carries all my cables and chargers. But I'm going to show you a clever trick that's very useful for travelling. So this is just a cheap case from AliExpress. Don't expect too much from it, but it does hold everything. So first thing we've got USB-C cable. I've got a couple of them. Important, you'll see why in a little while. Multi-charger, 100 watts, so this will charge my Mac, my laptop, my iPad, my phone, you name it, this will charge it. iPads, if you only use one of the ports, it's a 100 watt output, and this is one of the Kickstarter projects. So this is the MP310 from MoPoint. It's an amazing little piece of kit. It's great for travel. It's got the US adapter built in, and it also came with all the ends for other countries, so you can travel with it. But that's not the important bit. The clever trick is in here. So in the main compartment I've got a RAV power. This is a PD 2000 amp hour 60 watt charger. So this PD charger will charge my laptops, will charge everything. There's nothing it won't charge. USB-C to C cables. Now this is the important bit, because what you can do is, for a start, plug them into the power bank or the chargers, charge any USB-C device. GoPro, phone, Osmo, drone, well not the drone, but I can also charge my Surface from it. However, if you then need to plug something into a standard computer, you have these little adapters which are USB-C to whatever you want. So now I've got a PC, so a standard USB to USB-C. Now we all know that sometimes the cheap Chinese hard drives have weird USB to USB, so you can do that as well, but we don't want to do that at the moment. You can also do PC to micro USB. Got two of them, so if you needed to, you could make a micro USB to micro USB OTG cable. Same principle. Now I can use the power bank and the chargers to charge a lightning, so I can charge my iPad or an iPhone, and just as easily I've now got a data cable for an iPhone if I needed one. I could also connect an iPhone to a micro USB or standard USB. So one cable plus a few adapters, and I've got every single connection I can ever need. OTG, iPhone chargers, PC cables, charger cables, and they fit nicely in a pocket with a cable. I've also got a couple more USB-C cables, so I can charge my iPad and my phone at the same time, or my laptop. Pretty easy. USB Ethernet, because you never have one of them. I've also got a micro USB cable still in here. I've got no idea why I left that in here. I think that might have been just because I was charging my headphones and I wanted something easy to charge them, but my new headphones charge on USB-C. But the Amazon Echo Buds still have a micro USB, so they lost a star on the reviews for that one. So yeah, that's how to charge everything with pretty much nothing. The only thing that makes this bulky is the UK plug. I really hate the UK plugs. They may say they're the safest in the world, but they are the most inconvenient, bulky things to charge, to carry, because, yeah, they double the width of most chargers. But, yeah, hope that was helpful. If you need any of the adapters, I grabbed them from AliExpress for about £1 each, so quite cheap. Just, if you want my advice, grab them in 10s, because you always end up misplacing them.